yes, I am wearing the same outfit as the last video because I am basically reviewing another product from the same company at the same night. In today's video, we're reviewing these LED strips that look amazingly good. I mean, look at these. I saw them online on Amazon. I was like, heck yeah, I want to review these. I want to put them in my case and see how they look. I got 2 of them. We're going to be installing both of these in my machine. These LED strips from GIM. They sell around like $10 to $15 each, so they're super cheap. They are addressable RGB, so if you don't have, if your motherboard does not support addressable RGB, you want to keep that in mind. But without further ado, I'm excited for this. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Would love to have you around the channel more often. We're going to be reviewing tech products, streaming products, gaming products, and all sorts of products related to tech and fun and entertainment stuff and items and things. But without further ado, I'm talking so fast. Without further ado, let's put these in my machine and see how much we like them. Let's go.
Okay guys, so overall the installation was seamless. It was super easy. The hardest part was just me deciding where I want to put these LED strips. After that, just plugging it into the hub that I have with my fans. If you do not have a hub from a GIM, do not worry, you can still use any other hub. You can plug them in an ARGB splitter or even directly to the motherboard. So the installation itself took me probably 5 to 10 minutes total.
Alright guys, so we have the LED strips in. Put one here and one in there. Let's see how they look. You ready? Let's boot it up. Sheesh. Oh my gosh, bro. These look so good. Yo, check it out. Looks like a freaking party in there, dude. Oh my gosh. They're like the coolest LED strips I've ever seen. And the nice thing, I can just control them with the same control that came with the fans. So I can change the mode and respond. So you can see. They look really cool. I like these a lot. I think they're a great addition to the build. It's just RGB. Or rainbow, I guess, is whatever you call them. They're pretty cool. I like them a lot. Okay guys, so that was it for the LED strips from GIM. If you like these strips, I'll leave the link down below in the description so you can buy them if you want. But so far, I really like them. They look super cool in my case. I mean, they look like crazy right now, but I don't know if I'm going to keep them at that, obviously. But so far, I really like them for how cheap they are and how cool they look, and they can just integrate with any hub for any fans, so that's pretty cool as well. But yeah, so far, I mean, for the price, it's a great accessory. So yeah, I totally recommend it. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next time.